Students, if you are looking for a great place to save all of your links from research and be able to add text and videos and Google documents all in the same place, then Wakelet is the answer for you. So it's simply wakelet.com, and then when you go in, again, this is free, you can sign up, and what's nice about this is that you can actually sign in with your Google account. Besides your school email and password, it will ask you for your birthday. Once you're in, you simply have to click the Get Started. Then it will ask you to create a username. Choose Student. Select Middle School, High School. And then you are ready to get started. Wakelet organizes things through collections. And so you can create a new collection. And you can design this in any way that you want. So you can keep it super simple, very plain, or if you want to add images to it, you certainly can. So maybe you want to put in your topic of your paper. So it could be simply SEP paper if you're doing that, or maybe the actual topic that you were researching, you can do that as well. And then from there, you can start adding in some content. Now notice all of the things that you can add into here. So URLs, you can add text, YouTube videos, if you found a pertinent tweet, bookmarks, images, PDFs, things from your Google Drive. If you want to upload a video, those are all the kinds of things that you can add into a Wakelet. And what's kind of nice about it is that you could, for example, paste in a URL and then maybe add some text to why that was pertinent to your paper or what thesis point it covered. Then you can actually rearrange it too. So let's say, for example, I wanted to organize by putting in my thesis point. And I made that a big heading, and then when I hit done, I had this thesis point, and then I could add things underneath this that dealt with thesis point 1. So maybe I had found a website that was proving my thesis point on solar energy, and so I could paste that link in, and then it's going to put information, it's going to put a link to that website right there. I could edit it, so I could actually add something here. Maybe I wanted to say paragraph 3 had good info, so I could make a note for myself on that. And then it would show up in here, so I could access it. Now notice this is set to private, which is great. You could open this up and share with other people if you wanted to, but in this particular case, this is all set just for you, and it's designed so that you can organize all of your resources. It is helpful to know that Wakelet also has a Chrome browser extension. So you can go to wakelet.com/extensions and you can install this Google Chrome extension so that it will show up in the upper right-hand corner of Google Chrome. And that way, if you're researching, you can simply click on the Wakelet extension and it will add it to whatever collection you want, and you can add it directly from Chrome without actually going into Wakelet itself. Here's an example of a more complete Wakelet collection where it has an image added in. This one happens to be on data privacy and security, and you can see on here there's a variety of things like websites, there's text information, YouTube videos, so a variety of content all in one spot. And you can choose how these are laid out on your screen as well. If you want them to look like this or more in a linear fashion, you have the choice to change that on your own. So if you're looking for a way to organize your various digital sources, I encourage you to give Wakelet.com a try.